Hey everybody, I've got an Ego 56 volt Line IQ weed eater. This is the higher end model. It's a 17-inch cutting swath. I'm going to show you quickly how to restring this thing. So easy. First, just to be safe, take out the battery. You'll need that in a few minutes, but start with taking that out. Now, if you've got any string left over inside that you need to get out, or let's say maybe one of the ends of the string got cut off and you've got to fix this thing, you've got to take this cap off, and there's a tab here, this rectangle, and a tab here. And if you've got strong enough fingers, you can push those in and the little cap pop off. Otherwise, just take a flathead screwdriver and press that in. You'll see that the spring will push it open. And once you've got that cap off, you can take out any string you've got left in the head. So just for demonstration purposes, I'll do that. Take the string out. Now you'll need to put the cap back on, so these tabs here, those just get lined up with the holes that we were pressing earlier, and it'll snap in place real quietly. So there we go. Next you need string. The manufacturer recommends 0.95 inch diameter. You could use something thinner if you want, but something this powerful, I would use the thickest you can use, which is this. Get about 16 feet of string, which I've got here. I recommend making this part of the string as straight as possible. If it's wound like that from a spool, might have a little more difficulty with this next step. But what you're going to do is find these holes here, and you're going to push your string through one side until it comes out the other side. And you're going to pull that string through until you've got the same length of string on each side. So if you've got a 16-foot piece of string, it's going to be about 8 feet on either side here. Off camera, I'm going to pull these to the same distance, same length. Now that I've got the same amount of string on each side, at this point we put the battery back in, because there's a little motor up here that's going to suck this string in and wind it for us. So I've got the battery in, and this green button where my thumb is, I'm just going to press that button and the string is going to get sucked in on its own. And you just do this until you've got about 6 inches on each side there. And obviously I didn't have it perfectly length on each side, but at this point I'm just going to cut that end off and I can get started here. That's all there is to it. It takes about 2 minutes if you've got all of your stuff ready to go. I hope that was helpful. If it was, take a look at my channel for all kinds of other interesting stuff. Appreciate a like and a subscribe, and thanks for watching.